There's actually four types of hybrid workforce leaders, according to Gartner, who are global consultants. And this is their model that they put together. First of all, there's the hybrid champions who have the right mindset and the right skills to lead a hybrid workforce. Then we have our hybrid strivers who have the right mindset, but perhaps lack some of the right skill set to lead a hybrid workforce. We have the hybrid resistors who have the right skill set, but a closed mindset towards a hybrid workforce. Now, my experience over the last few months, as we started kind of coming out of the pandemic and starting to unlock, I've actually come up against several what I would call the hybrid resistors. They have got the skill set, but actually they're just closed down to the whole idea of having a hybrid workforce. And then we've got the hybrid laggards who lack both the right mindset and skill set for leading a hybrid workforce. According to Gartner, the biggest challenge to successful hybrid team leadership is ineffective leaders. 78% of HR leaders identified leaders' mindsets as a greater challenge than their skill set in driving success of a hybrid workforce model. So HR have recognised that leaders in general within our organisations, it's not just about that skill set, it's also about that mindset as being the challenge.